Welcome to our stand at IDEX 2025. My name is Daksh Chaudhary. I'm the Senior Manager Sales and Business Development. International Armored Group is a global armored vehicle manufacturer with over 30 years of experience in design, engineering and manufacturing of armored vehicles. This year at IDEX, we are showcasing our full lineup of certified vehicles. To start with, this is our VR7 certified TLC 300 series with 15 kg of TNT side blast at 2 meter distance. Then moving forward, this is our light patrol vehicle based on TLC 79 platform. These are our 4x4 MRAPs, Guardian Extreme and Rila Extreme. And then we have Infantry Fighting Vehicles, which are on 6x6 and 8x8.
This is a new version, the 6x6 Rila. This is a new configuration.
Yes, it's our new version.
Okay.
So basically, we are covering up from all STANAG level 2 to up to STANAG level 4.
Then you have the Rila in 6x6 configuration, and you have also the Rila in 8x8 configuration.
Absolutely.
Okay.
We have Rila. Both of these vehicles are infantry fighting vehicles. Rila 6x6 and Rila 8x8.
And you have also different type of configuration in terms of weapon station.
Absolutely, yes.
And you can integrate easily any type of weapon station to the vehicle.
Yes, we can, but it depends on several factors. And then in the end, we have our anti-riot B6 level armored water cannon.